Welcome to part 30, opening the CSS file. Now that we've finished covering dashboard.py, it's important to look at the CSS to see how the dashboard has been styled and how different elements have been arranged. So the file is located at assets/style.css. So this assets folder is actually important for Dash applications. Any CSS or JavaScript files that get loaded over here will automatically get loaded into your dashboard. So Dash has this, by default, will look in here for style or for CSS and JavaScript files to load them for your application. So let's just go ahead and open it up. So we go back to our file system view. So we're already in our project directory. So here's this assets folder. We have the style over here. We're also storing the logo for Dunder Data as well as a image file, this PNG file, but we're interested in looking at this CSS file. So let's go ahead and open it up. So here it is, and we'll use the next set of videos to cover the contents of this file.